Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me look. I have to go to work. This is milk and magnesia I have on my face. I put it on a little bit thicker because when I'm at work, like can y'all hear the shower going? Like, my neighbors are so fucking loud. Might be at, okay? But when I'm at work, like, I work 8 hours and it's just hot and I don't want it to like melt off. So I put it on a little bit thicker. You guys know I'm going to go in with my, this is the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay foundation. I've been using this for like a couple months now. I really do like this foundation. But this is what we're going to start out with. If you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe because y'all see the lighting in here. It's gotten a lot better. I'm working on this for you guys because you guys come for me so fucking hard. So we're really working and we're trying, we're gonna get better. But let's go ahead and get started. If y'all see my lace, just mind y'all business. It's thunderstorming like super bad right now, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to record before this cuts off, so hopefully we got time. But after I finish my foundation, I always go in. Well, I don't always go in, but here recently I've been going in with the e.l.f. Concealers. This one, these two are deep chestnut and deep caramel. I go in with the deep chestnut first, and then once I blended that out, I'll go in with the deep caramel just to kind of give me a brighter under eye a little bit. So the last couple days I tried to do like the contour first and then the concealer. I don't really like the way that comes out, so I won't be doing that after today's coronavirus. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that on camera, but yeah. So I've been using, this is the LA Girl Pro Foundation, and this is in the shade, I'm sorry I'm being loud, I'm trying to find something. This is in the shade Ebony, and I use this to contour because it's a little bit dark. So I might have a freaking unibrow, dog. I totally do have a unibrow, but you know, in quarantine I haven't been able to get waxed. Just a lot happening right now. But I've let the concealer sit a little bit, so now we're just gonna go in and blend that out. I'm trying not to pass like the brow bone. I mean, not the brow bone. What is that? It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, guys, so just work with me here. This is the brow tail. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's roll with the brow tail. So we're gonna blend all of the highlighter out and not really blending like too much because I have to blend my nose, and then I kind of like to put my concealer on top of it so it just looks really good. So yeah. Bitch, I'm scared. And it's hailing of that. Now we're gonna go in and use our not beauty bakerie. I totally ran out of my beauty bakery, so I'm upset. We're gonna go in and use our Fenty Beauty to set this, and I totally just used the wrong sponge, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna set everywhere that we did our highlight, and I kind of like to bring that over into my contour because I feel like it just helps to blend it out. So I think that I'm going to do like a green and gold look today. I'm not really sure, but I think that's what I'm going to do. So this is James Charles palette. I think we're going to be using these colors. I'm sorry, not that one. Like this one, I really want to use that one in combination with, or should I do blue? I don't know. You guys know me. I always do some shit I have no business doing. I really like the blue though. but I said I was gonna do green. Let's do green. All right, and then this one is a Car Beauty palette, and we're gonna be using this color as well as these, and then maybe that one. This blue is really speaking to me right now. I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do, and we're not gonna do it, Ari, because we don't have time. Shit, you're already behind schedule. So we're not gonna do it today, even though I totally want to do it. I want to do it, but we're gonna do green because I said I was gonna do green, and I need to start being a woman of my word. So we're gonna do green. Green it is. Okay, so we're gonna go in with like the lighter green first, and we're gonna apply that as our transition color. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Hopefully you can. Woo, this lace, girl. Hold on, okay. Oh. And the lace over here. Oh my gosh, I'm just going through life right now, guys. It's early, and yeah. So I'm building up this green. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm building up the green because you guys know I like pigmented colors, and I'm also just kind of bringing it up and in as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this deeper green just to deepen up the outer corners. Once again, just building your color because that's important. And you can make this as deep as you would like. I really don't even know if I'm gonna cut my crease today because this is so pretty just by itself. I don't know if you guys can see, like, oh my gosh, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna cut my crease today. I think I'm just going to apply the shadow and let it take over my life. That's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to go in with that green though. I might go in with the gold. I think the gold is calling my name. Turn off that love and hip hop because that was loud. Okay, so we're gonna go in now with this brown right here because I need to darken this up and kind of make it like a little smoky. So I'm gonna take that brown. You guys know you can use brown instead of using black. It works just as good, I guess. I mean, it looks a lot better to me, but whatever. So I'm gonna just blend this into the inner corner just to make it a little bit dark. And I'm also going to bring it over just so it's a nice blend when I do my shimmer shadow. Same thing on the other eye. I don't know if this is dark enough. What do you guys think? Is it dark? Hopefully. Let me do a little bit more. So this is almost finished. I'm gonna go against my better judgment. I feel like I look so stupid because all the lace is showing right there, girl. Struggling this morning. I'm gonna go against my better judgment and use my finger for this green. Y'all pray for me because I don't know if this is gonna come out right. This is the green. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, my finger's looking jacked up in quarantine. Ah. Alright, so let's go ahead and just use my finger to apply this. I don't like the way it's being applied. I'm going to use a brush because I feel like that's just not getting in there good enough for me. It's not good enough for me. So let's use a brush to... Oops, that was the wrong one. Oopsie. Yeah, let's use this instead. Okay, and we're just going to apply that. Hopefully you guys can see all up in here. I'm gonna do a buildup of the color because I need it to be shapoppin'. Y'all remember her from Bad Girls Club? That was my girl, shapoppin'. Okay, so I think that is good. I may spice it up with like a little bit of what do you call it, like a lighter tone, like a gold maybe. Oh, maybe that gold from the Juvia's Place. I think I just came up with an idea. All right. Okay, so because I don't feel like hearing y'all mouths about who doesn't do full tutorials, I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my blush. So this is the blush. This is MAC in the shade Raisin. I've had this for so long. Just recently really started to use it like a couple months ago, but I really like it. So I'm just applying this just to the apples of my cheek. I think that's what it's called, the apples. Yeah, apples or whatever. So we're just going to apply it. And then I also kind of dust my nose a little bit, so it looks like a little bit around. Okay, and then that is literally it. So I'm going to do my hair. I'll come back and give you guys the full look, period. Okay, peeps, so this is the finished look. I'm going to do some awkward posing right now so you guys can really get into it. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure not only do you give me a thumbs up, but you make sure you subscribe to my channel. Forgot to mention the lashes that I currently have on are the Scarlet lashes. Make sure you guys shop AriJaneBeauty. I do have a couple more styles arriving. I am sampling those right now just to make sure they're good quality before I put them out to you guys. I am also working on lip glosses as well as possibly eyeshadow. I'm not sure. The eyeshadow game is a little bit tricky. Yeah, it's just a lot. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and thanks for watching.